Welcome to the heart of Jamaica, where the air is fresh, the water is crystal clear, and the pace of life is as slow as the Caribbean breeze. This is the rural parts of Jamaica, and let me tell you, living here is an experience like no other. One thing about the country is that you will be eating through and through. There is not a time where the pot is not on the stove, and the food is always 10 out of 10 would recommend. This morning we're having liver, boiled banana, and of course fried dumpling. I don't eat a lot in the morning, so I took a little bit, and it was so good that I went back for seconds. Everyone is on their own time here. In the country, we don't do alarms, we don't do early morning bike runs, or you don't hear the horns and the business of the city. None of that. You literally wake up when you want to, you go to bed when you want to, and you just laze around. Right now, we can safely say we are on country time. Living in the rural parts of Jamaica is about appreciating the simple things. The people here might not have all the luxuries of the city, as urban folk may say, but they have something much more valuable: a sense of community, a connection to nature, and a way of life that's rich in culture and tradition. I enjoyed my time here. It was something that was well needed, a level of relaxation that you can't get in the city. And I think anybody that comes to the rural parts of Jamaica will attest to.
Want a taste of the good life, hit me with it right now, in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want it, oh, I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah, I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. You said, yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more. I could dance with you beneath the stars. Cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now I'm in it. I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you. And I won't look back, yeah, I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now I'm in it. Yeah, I'm fucking in it.
So we happened to stumble up on a food joint before going back, and we got some crabs as well on the side of the road. Because persons love to just sell something somewhere, somehow. Because in the community we stayed, they are big farmers and they're big fishermen. So this was just the norm.
What the 4? You have female in there? Oh, sorry. Give me a 4 bills female and a 2 bills male. I want a female with egg, Yeah, I get female. That's which one? No. That's female. Some of the best part. Alright, let me have her. She wants the 200 and 300. Take it away, so. Thank you.
It's pretty hard for me to stop what I'm doing in terms of like my routine, so I just made sure that I did my skincare and self-care routine as best as I could, as if I was back in the city. Now, it was short-lived to be very honest with you guys, but I still enjoyed it. It was a time for me to just wind down, and with absolutely nothing to bother me, I enjoyed my time by myself. And that's the thing when you are in the rural sides of Jamaica. Like, there is literally nothing to bother you. Everything is peaceful and quiet. I can safely say that I have not just let my ears eat grass in a really long time, and I think I'm gonna do this again, because this is something that we need. This is something that we crave sometimes, especially when we're going 2000% at our jobs, at our life, and instead of just sleeping it out for the weekend, I think you need like a space where you can just go and relax. Country life is more peaceful than town life. Like, there's a different level of comfort, there's a different level of a safe space, what that really means. And I think everybody should experience it even once in their life. Yeah, you might have horrible Wi-Fi service or data cell service, but it's better to just take a time for yourself, away from answering the calls and seeing how many goals you can get done in this week and what you have to do before next month. Yeah, just put a pause on your life and take a trip out to the country.